Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about functions in PLSQL. In PLSQL, functions are a self-contained subprograms that is meant to be. It is to do some specific well-defined task. Like in C program, in PLSQL also, functions are created and reused for a specific task. If you want to use a function, before using the function, we have to create it and we have to compile it. Then we can use it. PLSQL functions are named PLSQL block, which means they can be stored into the database as a database object and can be reused because all the functions should be named before using it and before defining it. Once we can define the function, we can compile it. After compiling the code, the set of code is converted into object and it is stored into the database. Whenever we want the same function, we can reuse it inside the program or anywhere of the program. So, like in C, PLSQL also, we can use the function in the same manner. This is the syntax of PLSQL functions. The first keyword is create. This is the major keyword. Create or replace. If you are newly creating a function, we can use create keyword. Or if we are redefining the existing function means we can use replace. We can use any one of the keyword based upon our requirement. We can use any one of the keyword. After that, function. Function is a keyword in syntax. We have to use this keyword and followed by function name. Function name, like in C, here also we can give the function name. Based upon the rules, we can follow the rules, we can give the function name, and we have to give the list of parameters in the parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, we can give n number of parameters. After that, return is a keyword. We have to give. If you are returning the integer type of data means return and number. We have to give like this. And is another keyword in syntax. Is another keyword in syntax. We can use is or as any one of the keyword. After that, we can declare the variables, constants, uh, whatever the constants and variables we want in function, we need for the function. We can declare everything here. After that, begin. So this is executable section. Begin is the keyword. After that, executable statements. Here we can give the logical section and anything we have to give here. And finally, we have to give return and return the value and end. So end is the begin block. This is the syntax of PLSQL functions. Now we can see one simple example for function. So this is example. So I am writing this example for calculating the area of circle. Okay. Here, no need to use these two keywords. We can use any one of the keyword. Here I am newly creating the function. So we can give this one alone. So replace is no need here. I'm just writing for your understanding. Create is a keyword or is a no need. Create. Function is a keyword. This is a function name. We can give any kind of function. Like in C, we have to follow the naming rules. We no need to give any space between the function name. So like that rules we have to follow. So this is a function name and function with argument. Here I am declaring integer type of parameter. So integer type and the data type and return is a keyword and number because I'm returning the integer type of data. So return a number is another keyword. So after that followed by this syntax. So I am declaring the constant and a normal integer variables because the formula for area of circle is pi r square. So here we already know that pi is a constant value. So I am declaring pi is a variable and also it is a constant variable. So pi is a variable name, constant is a keyword, and a number is a return type. And 7, 3 is a number because 7 is the size of the constant value, and the 3 is the uh, after dot, that is fraction value. So 7. Before fraction, we can give any number of any number. 2, 3, 4, 5. We can give any number followed by after fraction. If you're giving 3 means dot 1.141. If you're giving 2 means 3.14 alone. So as our wish, we can give any number and followed by the normal variable because area. We are storing everything in area because area equal to pi r square. So I am storing the value in one variable. So for that purpose, I am declaring the variable area. So this is also integer number. So same type 7 comma 3. And after declaration section, I'm moving to the executable section. So I have to start with begin keyword. So area is the stored variable. So area colon equal to, this is a syntax in PLSQL. Variable name colon equal to then pi or square. So instead of that or square, I am declaring for or radius. So pi star or square or radius star radius. Return area then end. So now we are just creating a function, declaring a function and defining a function. After this, we have to compile this code. If now if we are compiling this code means this code without error compiled successfully. Now it means this function is compiled successfully. Hereafter, I can use this function whenever and whatever if I need. For example, after compile this set of code, so because execute the function which is already created. So for example, in PLSQL server, set server output on. This is a keyword we have to give. This is varied, depends upon the server. Then begin is the keyword. There are two to three syntax to execute the already created function. So this is one kind of function, begin. DBMS, this is a syntax to print the output value. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Circle underscore area is the function name. Function name. So I think, do you remember function name and within parenthesis radius space number, like that we have created in function itself. So here I am calling the function with the function name circle underscore area. So I am passing the value, the radius value is 25, so I am giving 25, then end. So after giving this line, we have to execute this function. After execute this, we will get the particular value. So like this, we can create any kind of function. We can use it anywhere of the program. Thank you.